Hey guys, welcome back. Hi from my new house. Following my previous video, which I told you that my house got on fire and I was relocated to a temporary accommodation staying with one of our very kind relatives. Now finally I got the new house, the new rented house. We got it and I am so happy and super excited to show you around, like a mini tour of the house. Of course the house is not fully ready, still so much I have to do to just make it like a cute house what I want. I just said that let me just make a quick tour and show you around, to just show you the layout of the house, how it looks, and just share my happiness with you. So are you ready? Let's get into the house. Okay guys, this is the entrance of the house, small corridor or hallway. I just got this one, it's so cute, I love it. Actually I'm gonna share with you in other video whatever that I bought, how I bought it, where I bought it. So if you love it, you can also go and check it out and buy for yourself. So these are everything that I bought new, because you know that I lost most of my thing in fire, so I had to buy all the new stuff again. But this time I tried to be smart shopper and to not to spend so much money on expensive stupid items, but rather to go and buy beautiful, nice, worthy items with as little money as possible, which I'm going to share all of it with you in the coming videos. So this is I bought for the shoes and just put some stuff on it, but still this is not ready. It's gonna have some changes, cute changes, which later when I'm having it I'm gonna show it to you again. Then from this hallway it goes to kitchen. This is a little dining area, which it's not ready. I am planning to buy a beautiful cute tablecloth fully covering the table. And what I love about this table is that it just, you know, opens up from this part, so you can at the same time have the round dining table, or you can just have the rectangular dining table. So this is what I love about it. This is my own fridge that, you know, it's here. I love my fridge and I just did not want to let it go, so I am just moving it with myself wherever I want and wherever I go. So this one it's the shelf that I put here. Again, this shelf is not ready. It's gonna have some kind of changes here, which is going to make it so beautiful and cute, like a kind of shabby chic, or let's say country cottage style kitchen. This is the style that I really love my house to be, like a country cottage style. So for those of you that you love that kind of, you know, style, later I'm going to just share my tips and, you know, what I did to make it less spending money, but make it as beautiful as it can be. So these are my orchids, which they are going to bloom soon. I can see that. I don't know if you can just see it. They are blooming, and as you can see, this is a new one and I'm super excited. These are tiny little plants that they already given their roots in the water, and later I'm going to spread them all over the house. This is of course the sink and washing area. Again, this part is not ready. I'm going to make some cute changes here as well. This one is the dishwasher, and this is what I love about the gas stove, which I always love it. I love cooking on the fire, on the real fire. I hate electric stoves, especially induction, which is really trouble because the, you know, the pots and the pans are so expensive to buy for the induction. Sometimes they're not working. The food is always sticking on the bottom of the pots and pans because of the way that they are designed. So I really dislike the induction, and I prefer always the gas stove, which I got it. And of course there will be a beautiful curtains here for this part, which later I will show you. I bought this shelf here and I put it. It's gonna be so beautiful again. Everything is gonna be so beautiful. So this is a microwave. Again, this one is the house fitted fridge and freezer. So I'm having basically 2 fridge, which I really needed. I've got so much of stuff because you know that I'm just making videos, cooking videos, and I really need a lot of stocking. And this is the washing machine. The rest are the cabinets. The previous house that I have, there were no cabinets on the top, which I really didn't like, and it made me to store many of my things here and there. But here I have my cabinet, still not enough, but it's much better than the previous house. And yeah, this is pretty much the kitchen, which I absolutely love. Why? Because I love the closed kitchen. I hate open kitchens. I know so many people, they love open kitchens, but I am the old-fashioned way and I love closed kitchen, which I got it. So this part, there is a toilet and washroom, which is not ready, of course. And when it's ready, I'm gonna make another video tour of it, of course. Let's go to, before going to the sitting room, I'm gonna show you the little storage place here, which really saved me, because as you see how much stuff and tools I have as a content creator, you have no idea. For every single recipe or video you need to buy so much of stuff. So yeah, these are, you know, all the things that I am just fitting in here smartly. So I love this part. Okay, let's get into the sitting room. Little tiny sitting room, which is not, of course, ready. Beautiful curtains gonna be there. I bought all this furniture all over again, and of course here are some pieces of exciting curtains, which I'm gonna later show it to you. TV. Of course, TV has to be mounted on the wall, but because this is a new house, we are not allowed to, you know, hang any heavy stuff on the wall, because it needs to pass 12 months so that the house gets stronger. So for now, we're just, you know, placing it over the table. And of course, this is my beautiful, lovely little parrot couple. This is his house, and he's so happy in the house. Well, yeah, this is pretty much the house. The thing is that I love to put so much of plants and greenery in my you know, house and the rooms. So of course, definitely I'm going to buy much more plants. By the way, this is avocado. It's just turning to a tree, and I just planted it myself from the seed. So yeah, I'm just like proud of this thing. All right, so let's show you the beautiful curtains which I bought, and I am going to turn them into the curtains actually for the different parts of the house. All of these things that you see, all the garments, they are all vintage, very special and unique piece of garments that I bought, piece of fabrics that I bought, and these are going to turn to a beautiful pieces of curtains. Actually, these are vintage. If I want to tell you, some of these factories that they design these pieces of fabrics, they do not exist anymore. So these are very unique pieces of fabrics, and if I tell you, they are for about 1950s or 40s or 50s, going back to those days. So yeah, this is one part, and this one is for the kitchen window, which I love. These roses here, they are going to be perfect for, actually, for kitchen, for a dining area, or for the bedroom. But I do not recommend to have something like that for your you know, sitting room, or the room that you want to be so much of, you know, you want the room that you want to be so much light, or for the room that you want to sit for a long time, watch TV, and the room that you want to make it light, because these are very strong and heavy colors for a sitting room, which I do not recommend it. I always recommend to go for the softer colors for the sitting rooms, which I'm going to show you. This is the curtains, which is vintage. Also, I bought it for sitting room for this area, which it's perfect. It has such a soft colors and soft background. As you see, the colors of the flowers are very soft. They are not flashy and heavy colors, and they are perfect actually for the room that you want to make it light. And I wanted something floral but very soft, and honestly I searched for hours, and almost I was getting disappointed to, you know, finding one. But at the last minute, guess what? I found this beautiful piece of fabric. This is a ready-made curtains. Of course, it's vintage, again for 1950 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, it's you know, it's so difficult to find exactly what curtains you want according to the size of your window, and you know, it has to go with the colors of your room, as well as, you know, that you should like it, and you know, it's so difficult, but I was lucky. Yeah, so these are the pieces of the fabrics which are going to be my beautiful curtains. So let's go to the upper floors. Let me just switch off the light. I just forgot. Yeah. So here goes to the middle floor, and this is another bathroom. Again, it's not ready. Mirror is gonna be mounted there. And these are the white stuff that I have to bleach, because I just put them by mistake with a color fabric in the washing machine. And guess what? Every piece of this white garments, they became pink. So I need to take care of them. And this is a small place to store things. I put stuff here. Another room. Not ready yet. Of course, needs a lot of work. And that is the little garden, which is still not ready. I have so much plants for the garden. This is a guest room. Another room, of course, not ready. This is a small hallway, goes to the upper floor, to the master bedroom. And this is a smart way to store your shoes. I love it. So yeah, I'm using this small hallway to iron, and you know, like a, you know, swing room and all that. So let's go to the master bedroom. I love the master bedroom. It's really pretty big, and of course again, it's not so ready. And this is it. Yeah, what I love about this house is everywhere is full of light, so I can put as many as plants that I like. Yeah, it's just kind of empty. And this is the bathroom. again, it's not ready. I'm gonna just put a lot of plants here too. Yeah, I'm gonna just fill this house with so much plant. I just love greenery. Well, you cannot put so much of frames around here because as you see, the ceiling is not so straight and the walls also are not so straight, so not much of choice, but you can put plants. By the way, guys, another avocado plant is just growing. See, I did not make a video of avocado, how to do it, but maybe I do later. So let's show you the last part, which is garden. This garden is going to be so ready for me planting lots of flowers, plants and vegetables and fruits. You know, it was not like this when we came. They just covered it with lawn recently, and I specifically requested them to just leave the edges because I'm planning to do a lot of planting. So they did as I asked them. And yeah, I'm going to, in October, I think, I'm gonna just plant a lot of things here, which definitely I will share with you. And at the end of this garden, I'm going to place a shed for an extra storage, and I might place a plastic, patio for placing my plants or whatever that they cannot survive the cold in there. I don't know, maybe we'll see. So yeah, this is pretty much the garden. Of course, planning to put some barbecues and chairs and everything here. We do not have much left from the summer. I have to be in a hurry if I want to enjoy this. Yeah. So yeah, this was pretty much the whole house, the layout of the house. I love it, honestly, more than the previous house that I had. So yeah, so happy about it. And when the house is ready, of course, I'm planning to, buy so many stuff, smart shopping, and make it more beautiful. It takes time, but once I do, I definitely share the house again with you to show you how it looks. And of course, I will share my shopping tips, that how I buy this stuff with a less expensive price tag, so that you can also, if you're interested, you can just go and check them out as well. And yeah, so super excited. I hope you like it, and till the next videos, take care.